Today we are going to make a small batch brown butter brownies. Heat a pan and add butter. Heat it until the butter turns brown. Remove the pan from the heat and add dark chocolate to it. I have used dark compound. Mix it really well until the chocolate melts. To this we are going to add cocoa powder. Mix it well and keep it aside to cool down. Crack open 2 eggs into a bowl. Beat it well for 1 to 2 minutes. We can also use a mixer grinder for this. To this we are going to add powdered sugar, instant coffee. I have mixed 1 teaspoon instant coffee in 1 tablespoon water. Add salt, sunflower oil and vanilla essence. Again beat it well. Now we are going to add our butter and chocolate mix that we have prepared. Again mix it well. Now we will add plain flour and mix it well using a whisker or a spatula. Make sure there are no white bits left. Transfer this batter into a small square tin which is lined and greased with butter or ghee. Run a skewer to make sure there are no air bubbles left. Top it with some chocolate chips or milk chocolate. This is completely optional. Bake this at 160 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for about 25 minutes. Allow the brownie to cool down completely before slicing. Clean the knife using a kitchen cloth for a perfect clean cut. Now it's time to enjoy.